There are two major types of KitchenAid stand mixer designs to consider: tilt head and bowl lift. The head of any tilt head mixer tilts back from its base, where the bowl is attached. This design makes it easy to access the beaters while leaving the bowl open to easily add new ingredients. On the high-capacity bowl lift models, the head of the stand mixer is stationary. The bowl sits on the mixer's sturdy arms and is raised and lowered with a lever. Bowl lift stand mixers are designed with broader bases, providing the necessary stability for their powerful motors. Tilt head mixers carry a capacity of 4.5 or 5 quarts and can make a batch of 8 or 9 dozen cookies on average. Bowl lift stand mixers are designed with a higher capacity in mind and use 5, 6, or 7 quart bowls, which can produce 9, 13, and 14 dozen cookies. The last important difference between KitchenAid bowl lift and tilt head mixers is their physical size. Tilt head mixers stand about 14 inches tall and weigh 26 pounds. These versatile, best-selling models can be stored easily in cabinets and cupboards. Bowl lift mixers stand at 16.5 inches tall and weigh between 29 and 32 pounds, depending on the model type. Bowl lift stand mixers are best stored on countertops where they can be displayed. Finally, for makers working with limited space, there's the Artisan Mini Stand Mixer. At only 12.5 inches tall, weighing 14.5 pounds, the Artisan Mini Mixer packs all the power of a standard mixer into a lighter model with a smaller footprint. KitchenAid has a mixer for every maker's needs. Find yours today at KitchenAid.com.